Good day. So this video has the purpose of demonstrating to you what you might be expected to do for your output for our alternative assessment. Now this is what your actual setup might look like. So obviously you can do a little bit better than I did. But for the purpose of this demonstration, so I already have two glasses, glass A, which I labeled with an erasable marker. And also, we have our glass B over here. Now, I don't have any straws on hand at the moment. Instead, I just have these two sticks. But for your actual video, you should be using two straws. And aside from these, you also need to keep handy a measuring cup. If, like me, you are a baker, you might have one of these for measuring your liquid ingredients. Or you might have one of these. So this one is a measuring cup that allows you to measure your syrup medicines. And also handy would be a waste receptacle so that you can pour your leftover liquids in here and not cause any mess. So we just keep these handy. Now for this video, what you need to do is you just simply have to keep your straws inside our glasses, allow for our liquid to be drawn up the straws via capillary action. So we just keep the water and the straws like that for a couple of seconds, just to let the water rise. And then once we see that the water has already risen enough, we simply hold the ends of the straws like so. And so we now transfer this straw to the other glass and this straw right here to our other glass. We do this simultaneously and we make sure that no water is being spilled on our counter. The water that is inside our straws must only be transferred completely from glass to glass. Also, you might have noticed, so I took the liberty of coloring my water just so it will appear a little bit better on the camera. So you might use different colors, whatever you'd like, or you might also use just plain water, so long as it is quite visible for anyone who looks at the video. Okay, now let's try to transfer our water inside our straws to our two glasses. So grasping the ends of our two straws, being careful, we now switch. And then we let the water drain to our two glasses, like so. Keep the straws in. Wait for a few seconds to allow the water to rise via capillary action through our straws. So it should go up. And once we see that it's already risen up, so once more, we just have to grasp the ends of the straws and do the same thing again. So drain the water inside the straw and we repeat this cycle a couple of times. 4 to 5 times should be sufficient, or you can also do a little bit more for the purpose of the demonstration. And once you've done enough cycles of this, so what we need to do is we simply have to measure out the volume of the water that is remaining inside our glass A and inside our glass B. So we now use our measuring cups for this purpose. So initially, our glasses A and B have the same volumes. So glass A, initially, I measured it to have 70 ml of our purple water. Now let's see what its volume is now. So keep it level as you would do with your graduated cylinders. Wait for the water to just settle a bit. And keeping it to eye level. So I see that this is 70 ml still. And doing the same now, we measure the water that is still in our glass B. So we throw away the water in glass A. And using the same measuring cup, we also measure the volume of this water in glass B. Keep it on a level surface. Allow for the water to settle down for a bit. And as you would a graduated cylinder, so we look at it at eye level. So we see that this volume for glass B is also 70 ml. So that's basically it for the activity portion of your alternative assessment. Now what you need to do after doing this activity, so you need to be able to answer the 3 guide questions that are given to you in our alternative assessment right after you've done the demonstration, like what I've did here. So I hope this one has cleared for you exactly what is expected of you for this particular assessment. So if you have any questions, you're always free to message me either via our group chat or also privately. So I hope you have fun with this demonstration and I look forward to seeing your videos.